When you're managing a high-traffic facility, you need a floor that does more than just look good. You need a system that performs reliably, day after day. Scotiabank Arena sees more than 3.5 million visitors annually. That means constant foot traffic, spills, equipment movement, and rapid turnaround between events. Floors here need to look great and work even harder. That's why they chose Stontec FE from Stonhard's True North collection, a flexible epoxy system engineered to deliver long-term performance with a natural polished concrete look. This system provides the flexibility needed to accommodate substrate movement while delivering exceptional impact and abrasion resistance. It won't bubble, peel, or open at seams like traditional sheet goods. With a clean contemporary finish, Stontec FE elevates the guest experience. The floor provides the upscale look of polished concrete with the comfort and resilience of a flexible system. Maintenance is as simple as it gets. No waxing, no stripping, no grout lines, just a seamless surface that cleans fast and stays looking new, event after event. Sheet goods fail at seams. They lift, tear, and trap dirt and moisture. Stontec FE eliminates those concerns with a continuous, bonded, and resilient surface built for real-world use. When it's time to replace sheet goods, choose proven performance. Choose a floor that stands up to traffic, time, and every challenge that comes its way. Stontec FE, the flexible epoxy system trusted by Canada's premier venues. Stonhard, we don't just install floors, we engineer solutions.